Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn about what is Bigint primitive data type, why we need to use Bigint, when to use Bigint, what are the limitations with real-time examples. Let's start the learning. What is Bigint? Bigint is a special numeric primitive data type that provides the support to use bigger numbers. It was recently introduced in JavaScript version 6. Have you thought that when we already have a number data type, then why did they introduce Bigint? To know that, we should know about the number data type. If you want to visit a detailed information about the number data type, please click on the icon. Numbers are having some limitations. You cannot use a number data type when the value is plus or minus 2 to the power of 53 minus 1. To solve this issue, they have introduced Bigint. Let's check how to declare and how to define Bigint variables. Let's assign a value into the variable. Syntax of Bigint is we need to add n at the end of the value. Bigint follows the same logic when you define and declare the number data type, but only one difference is it should end with n, like I am showing in the example. I added a simple Bigint variable and added the console message to display the value in the browser console. Let's run this program and check the output. If you can see here, the value is printed in the log with Bigint notation. Limitation in Bigint. There are mainly two limitations in the Bigint. We cannot do calculation between Bigint and number. All the computation and calculation takes place only within Bigint. There will be performance difference when we use Bigint wrongly. Let's learn with the real-time example. Let's check the calculation with an example. We have declared two variables. One is having a Bigint value and another one is having a number value. Let's run this program. If we try to add these two, we will get an error by saying that type error cannot mix Bigint and other types. Use explicit conversion. It is an error. We will learn about explicit conversion with our upcoming video. So all the Bigint calculation takes place only within the Bigint. Let's check the performance limitation with an example. What we are going to see is we will use a multiplication with help of numbers and Bigint. We are going to run the program with the same values for number and Bigint for this process. We will calculate the time taken to complete the process. We defined two Bigint variables and two number type variables with the same values to perform the calculation. This is the number and this is the Bigint. We calculated the time taken for each and printed it in the console. Let's run the program. If you can see here, there is a time difference in the calculation. This is the time taken for number multiplication and it is the time taken for Bigint multiplication. I also added a console to check which takes more time. It is clearly shows that Bigint takes some additional time. So what we learned from this example is we must use the Bigint when it is required. If not, it will cost you in the performance. In this video, we have learnt about what is Bigint, how to use it, when to use Bigint, and limitations with real-time examples. If you have any question, please post in the comment section. We are here to help you in your learning path. If you liked this video, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Happy learning. Thank you.